Welcome to today's Finding Equalman show, where today we talk about why you should not put your best foot forward.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do.
Today we're going to talk about a specific selling tip, and remember, all of us are in sales. Even if our business card doesn't say sales, we are all in sales. And the analogy I always use is that as a parent, you're trying to sell your kids on eating vegetables or doing the right thing. All of us are in sales, both personally and also professionally. It's the lifeblood of any organization. So how do we sell better? So one thing I see, whether it's with small businesses, nonprofits, or Fortune 500 companies, a common mistake a lot of salespeople make, because a lot of sales these days are via email, a common mistake is they try to put everything in that first email. They're trying to lead with their best foot with everything. And one, people aren't going to read a long email. Two, the biggest reason you don't want to do that is because it leaves you no reason to send them an additional email later on when they don't respond. On average, it takes you 12 emails, 12 cold emails to get a response, if you ever do in fact get a response. But those that do respond, it's going to take you 12 emails to get that response to that email. So you don't want to put everything in that first email. That leaves you no room to send them a follow-up email when we don't respond to email number 1, email number 3, email number 6. So what should that first email entail? It should say an introduction of who you are, and then also ask them a specific question that they're going to respond to. It could be related to business, or it depends on your personality. Sometimes at the end it could be just, hey, what's your favorite Girl Scout cookie? I know that sounds weird that you put in what's your favorite Girl Scout cookie, but most people will stop and think about that, and they'll have an answer in their mind, and once they have that answer in their mind, they're actually going to respond to that email. Now, in the course of formulating that first email, you're going to get bullet point ideas of what you want to include. Save those, because you're going to use those for follow-up emails. So each time you're going to send them something specific that's going to help them or resonate with that reviewer. That's it for today's Finding Equalman show. If you know someone else who would find this specific tip helpful, feel free to share that with them. If you haven't subscribed yet to get this on a weekly basis, please do so now. And in the meantime, remember, it's not what we take from the world, it's what we leave behind. Welcome to today's we're all in sales at some point in some form or fashion. Let me shorten that. That's it for today's Finding Equalman show. If you know someone in sales let me redo that.